Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Today is our second day here in Wales and in Betws-y-Coed. We had a lovely night's sleep in our camper van, as of course expected. No noise, no disturbance from the campsite, which is always positive. Oscar woke up at 6. I woke up at about 7:40. But we've had a great day so far. Well, great morning rather. We had a shower. They're okay. We are now packing the van away because we've got to drive to Zipline this morning, because we could bring the Tesla. However, we've got to fit little Leela just here. If the camera wants to zoom in, there she is. We've got to fit Lilo in the vehicle, so we're bringing the van. We're now about to cook breakfast. I think we're having sausages and bacon and stuff like that. We're doing that on the barbecue, which is, again, always lovely. So far, a good morning. We brought a hairdryer with us because the hairdryer in the bathrooms, they don't always have one, but the one here doesn't work. So hairdryer is always positive. So I'll probably see you when we're having breakfast. But make sure you like, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on. So when we upload a new video, you can be one of the first people to watch it. Right, let's go to breakfast. At breakfast, we have sausage and bacon in a sandwich, and then I have a Fortnum Mason Earl Grey tea just here. We're going to tuck into these now, and then I'll let you know how they are after, and then we're going to head off to Zip World. Well, we have arrived at Zip World, a really easy drive from where we're staying. I'm not going to be able to film on the cars because I didn't bring the GoPro, because I didn't even think about that.
I think you will be able to film. I do think you'll be able to film.
Well, if we are, I'll use my phone, or we'll use one of them to film. And then Oscar's doing an activity, and then we're doing a climbing experience, but I'll bring this camera for that when we come back.
We're going in like small carts.
Yes, we are. So if I can't film, I'll insert some footage now from YouTube.
Hello. So we are going up the forest now, and as you can see, there are some tracks down there. It doesn't start yet, we still have to go up more.
Feeling it?
Yeah. Slow.
Am I okay?
A bit slower, a bit slower. Slow.
Brakes on.
What are we going on, Oscar?
The Zip World on Forest Coaster.
Have you enjoyed it so far?
I didn't like the first one, but I liked the second one.
Good. So we are currently on the Zip World coaster. I'm going to film when we're at the top. We're filming on the way here. So let's go. went on the coaster just there and both thoroughly enjoyed it. We went on 3 times. That's really good for the money, good value. And now we're going on to the tree hoppers. I'm hoping that Daddy will be able to record from the ground, and maybe I might put a mic on me so you can hear what I'm saying as I'm up there. Yes. We've got a biggie this time. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come with me. Right, go on then.
This is so long.
It's really long. Go on then. Good job. Right at the last minute.
No.
Well, we enjoyed our time on the climbing experience, and now we're heading on to treetop next. So I'm going to take you along with us. Oh, there you go. Whoa. Whoa.
Ready? This is the same area.
This is very much raining, so what I think we're going to do is we're going to head back to the campsite now and get a hot drink, wait until the rain stops, and then head over to Betws-y-Coed to go to some shops. We're not sure what we're doing for dinner yet. Really enjoyed it today here at Zip World. The trampolines did make me feel a bit dizzy and queasy though. I don't know if that's because it's an uneven with bouncing surface, but it made me feel a bit queasy. Anyway, my camera is not waterproof, so I'm going to put that away now. But I will see you when we are at the campsite again. Well, we've driven and we were planning to go back to the campsite, but we've gone to the town and we're going to just go and have a shop around and maybe get a hot drink whilst we're here. The sun's coming out now, which is always good, as it was raining in the last clip we took. But as I said, we had a really good time at Zip World, and now we're going to head into the town. Well, Lilo's got a new harness, haven't you, Lilo? She likes to pull, as we found out the other day, so she's got a harness now.
And not only a harness, this is a professionally fitted harness with a Norwegian harness. Hiking harness. A hiking harness.
Yeah, so we're now going to walk into the town centre, and I'll show you what we do next. Well, we are currently sat in a cafe outside, and we've got... And
You're going to eat yourself on your shoes.
oh no! Can I feel?
No.
Which one are you going for?
Can I see a bit closer?
That one or that one? Left or
Left.
right? Left.
No. I meant no. Did I pick correct?
Swap.
Oh no, I got correct. Hazelnut cannoli. We're going to enjoy our snacks and hot drink. Oscar, what have you brought then?
So I bought this dragon teddy from the village craft.
From the village craft just here.
And then Lilo has to
Yeah, we've already said that. But yeah, you've got a new dragon. What's his name?
his name's Draggy.
Draggy the dragon.
Draggy.
It's still, the sun is brightening up even more, which is always positive. We are just walking back now after a successful morning and early afternoon. So we're going back to the campsite. We're going to go and relax for a bit. I might listen to a podcast or a YouTube video. Oh, and so there we go. Lilo's in her new harness. But we're enjoying it so much. The weather was very windy and raining this morning, nearer the latter part of our time at Zip World. However, it's now brightened up, as you may be able to see on the footage. So I'm going to see you at the campsite. Well, it's a bit later now. We've had some dinner. We just had a takeaway fish and chips. I didn't film that because my camera was dead. And it was quite nice to just sit without a camera for once. Anyways. We're now just going to stretch our legs. It's a bit nippy outside, a bit cold. Say that with the breeze, really. But we're just going to go and walk down to the river like we did yesterday. Nice, just get some fresh air when you've been inside for a while. So I'll take you down to the river. And I think we're just going to play a board game when we get back, because as a family, we love a board game. And then we'll probably go to bed after that. Well, we've arrived back at our little van after our walk to Betws-y-Coed. We just had a nice little stroll, which is always nice to end an evening off. We're going to have s'mores again this evening. I'm going to finish the podcast that I'm watching, and I'll see you when we are making s'mores, probably.
See you later.
Well, I've just come outside, and I don't know how well you can see it. However, that big light just there, that's a star. And the stars are all around us this evening. I'll insert a picture now that I just took. But wow, it's a beautiful evening here in Wales. And we've got our setup just down here. I'm going to spin you around. I have my hoodie on, so you might not be able to see me very well. This is the end of this video. Tomorrow we're going on a nice walk, so I'll be sure to take you along with us. Tomorrow's our last full day. But I'm enjoying it so much at this campsite, and this view tonight. Just wow, I haven't seen a clear sky like this since easily Cape Verde with this many stars, which was 2019. No pollution, no light pollution, just dark. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Please like, subscribe when you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, so when we upload a new video you can be one of the first people to watch it. Right. Good night, everybody.